Good morning students. Today we are looking a next part of a decimal fraction, that is the use of decimal fraction. In the previous video we learned how these decimal fractions are used for the measurement of distance. Now in this video we are looking how these decimal fractions are used for the conversion of different basic unit of distance and length in a decimal point format. Let's begin with the first basic unit, or which is the biggest unit for the measurement of a distance, that is kilometer, and which is mostly you can see which is used in a measurement of a one place or a city or in district from the another place. What is the distance between them? That should be calculated with the help of this unit kilometer, which is used for the measurement of a longer distance. If distance is longer, which is measured in a kilometer, and we know 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now we are looking how these decimal fractions are used in the conversion, or how to write in a kilometer and meter term if distance is given, or how to convert a decimal point format of a given distance. This is a basic thing that we know, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. If I have to calculate I'm taking first example. If I have to calculate 9 kilometer is equal to how many meter? This M stands for meter. 9 kilometer is equal to how many meter? So what we have to do? Take this 9 as it is 9 and multiply it with this basic number, that is 1000. 1000, because 9 kilometer, keep 9 as it is, and for this kilometer, so what is the value of this 1 kilometer is 1000, so I am putting this value 1000 meter. So do the multiplication. 9 multiplied by 1000 is 9000. 9000 meter is our answer, that is 9 kilometer is equal to how many? 9000 meter. Going towards the next example. If next example like this, 0.48 kilometer. 0.48 kilometer. So what you are doing? Yes, keep this number as it is, 0.48. Multiply it with the kilometer is equal to how many? 1000 meter. Now perform the multiplication. And in the previous video about this decimal fraction conversion, we also looked at when a decimal fraction is here. When decimal fraction is here and when we are multiplying, or when we are going from bigger to the smaller unit, kilometer is a bigger unit, meter is a smaller unit, we have to multiply with the 1000, 100, 10 as per the condition, and move this during the multiplication. जेव्हा तुम्ही मल्टिप्लिकेशन करत असाल कोणत्या टर्मने, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 10 च्या पट्टीमध्ये असणारे 10, 100, 1000 in the multiple of 10 we have to multiply. Then what you have to do? Simply move this decimal fraction towards the right hand side. Look here, I am writing the answer of this. How to write the answer? 0.48. So our number is like this, look here, 0.48 number is here. So how many times we have to shift, or how many places we have to shift this decimal point towards the right hand side, towards the right side. This decimal point right side shift. We have to shift this because here multiplication operation is there, and when during a multiplication we have to shift this decimal point towards the right side. So look here, and how many places, which is equal to the number of zeros present on the given term of a multiplication. That is, if 10 is there, we have to shift only with the one place. If number is 100, so shift 2 places. So now here how many places we have to shift? 1, 2 and 3. So if this point is coming over here after the 4, this is the first time. Then from this it is going after the 8, and we have to shift how many times? 3 times. So number is not there, so we have to write down 0, and from this it is get shifted, which is the third shift. So what is your answer? Now decimal point is where? Now this decimal point is over here. Now this decimal point is here, because we are shifting this decimal point towards the right side. How many times? 3 times, because 3 zeros are there. 1, 2 and 3. Number is not there, so put 0. So what is your answer in a meter? 480. No need to write this 0. 480 meter. So 0.48 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 480 meter. So in this way you can easily convert decimal point fraction into a normal given number. Look at the third example. If distance is given like this, 7.386 meter, kilometer, 7.386 kilometer, and in that decimal fraction we have to calculate, or we have to identify how many kilometer is there and how many meter is there, because kilometer and meters are correlated terms. That is 7.386 kilometer is equal to how many kilometer and how many meter is present in the given distance. So how to identify it? It's very simple. This is the decimal point, and at that decimal point we have to divide our number. काय करायचं? जिथे डेसिमल पॉइंट आहे त्या ठिकाणी आपण नंबरला डिवाइड करायचंय. सो नाउ आय एम डिवाइडिंग दिस, and this is the right side and this is the left side. So when 7.386 kilometer is given, so first term is always a kilometer term and next is meter term. So the number present on the left side of a decimal point is a value of a kilometer or a bigger unit or given unit, and after the decimal point numbers are present, then these are the value of another small unit, that is 386. So in this distance 7.386 kilometer, 7 kilometer and 386 meter is present. Again look at the another example. That is 15.78 kilometer. So how many kilometers are there? This is a 15, value keep as it is, 15 kilometer, and after this decimal fraction 78 meter. 78 meter. So in this way you can easily convert kilometer into a meter, and how to identify kilometer and meter present in the given fraction. Now look another which is very different, that is if opposite operation is given to you, that is distance is like given 38 kilometer, 94 meter, and we have to represent this distance in a decimal point format. So how to represent it? First number 38, yes, then which is a bigger number, then after the kilometer give a decimal point and write down the next number as it is along with the Bigger unit, what is a bigger unit? Kilometer. Always give the first unit, kilometer. 38.94 kilometer. Look at another example. If I am taking 15 kilometer, 7 meter. So how to write it? 15 as it is. Then on the place of kilometer, give a decimal point. Write down next number 7. And bigger unit, that is kilometer. So in this way you can easily convert given kilometer meter distance into a decimal point format. Now these operations are related with the multiplication, kilometer to meter. And suppose if distance is like this, we know that is 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. I am doing the opposite operation, that is 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. If I have to calculate 25 meter is equal to how many kilometer? 25 meter is equal to how many kilometers? So what we are doing? Yes, when opposite operation is there, when opposite meter to kilometer is there, means smaller to bigger, we are performing which operation? We already learned that it is we have to perform division. And when bigger to smaller, we have to perform multiplication. Now yes, perform division operation. So how to perform it? Write down first given number, that is 25 as it is. Yes, I am writing here 25. And divided, because we have to find out in a kilometer, so divide it with the 1000, because here kilometer is there. Now shift down. Now we have to represent this in a decimal point format. So how to representing this number, decimal fraction, into a decimal point format? First write down the given number, that's 25. Now what we have to do? Now this decimal point is here. I am drawing with a pencil, that is, don't consider it. This is now present here. And now we have to shift this, because operation is division. We have to do a left shift of decimal point. In multiplication, right shift, and division, left shift. So now, and how many times? 1, 2, 3 times, because 3 0. Yes. Now this point is over here after the number, because it is a complete number. Then first, then from this is second, number is not there, so I am writing here 0. And this is the third one. So now point is over here, and before this point no any number, so write down 0. So what is our answer? 0. This is the third shift. First after 5, then 2, then number is not there, so 0, and give decimal point, and after decimal point number is not there, so I am writing a 0. 0.025 kilometer. 25 meter is equal to 0.025 kilometer. So in this way you can use a decimal fraction in the conversion of a kilometer to meter or meter to kilometer. Now look at the second unit, going meter to centimeter. So 1 meter is a basic unit, and 1 meter is equal to, we already know, that is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Again we are going from bigger to the smaller. So obviously when you are going from meter to centimeter, perform which operation? Multiplication. Same as that of a kilometer, but here value for the multiplication is 100. So look at example. If example is like this, we have to calculate 8 meter is equal to how many centimeter. So what we are doing, keep this number as it is 8, then give a multiplication and multiply with the how many, because here centimeters here, so we have to multiply with the 100. So 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to how many, 800, and unit is centimeter. So in this way 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. This is a simple way of conversion. Now we are looking towards the second example. Look at the second example. If distance is given like this, 9.5 meter is equal to how many centimeter. 9.5 meter is equal to how many centimeter. Again perform same thing. Keep number as it is, which is already in a decimal point, 9.5. Then multiply with how many, 100, because centimeter we have to convert. So 9.5 multiplied by 100. As seen earlier we seen that when multiplication operation is there with the 10, 100, we have to move this towards the right side. So move it right side. I am writing this number again here, 9.5 roughly. This decimal point is over here. We have to shift how many times? 2 times. Yes, this is the first move. After the 5, number is not there, so because we have to perform second shift also, so number is not there for the shifting, so I am writing 0, and from 0 it is a second shift. So now our decimal point is coming over here. After that we can write 0 or not, it's not important. So what is the value we get? 950 centimeter. 950 centimeter. So in this way you can convert decimal fraction point distance into a normal distance. 9.5 meter is equal to 950 centimeter. Look at the third example. If distance is like given that 3.89 meter. 3.89 meter, and in that we have to identify how many meter and how many centimeter are present. So as obvious as seen earlier, that is on the right side present and on the left side present, that we have to add. On the left side number is 3, so it is a 3 meter, and remaining numbers are in a centimeter, 89 centimeter. Next example, if distance is like 18.9 meter, then how many? Yes, 18 meter, and this point after point 9 is there, 9 centimeter. This one way, when we are going from meter to centimeter, if we have to do the opposite operation, that is opposite thing, invert it, 100 centimeter for centimeter, you can use cm is equal to 1 meter. Meter and cm, these are the shortcut or small symbols used for the meter and centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and if I have to calculate, if given like this, 839 centimeter is equal to how many meter? Here we are going from centimeter to meter, so which operation we are performing? Smaller to bigger means division. And which shift we have to apply on a decimal point? Left shift. So let's begin. Copy the number as it is. At the numerator 839 upon, we have to divide it by how many amount? 100. because it is in a centimeter to meter, so divide it with the 100. So how to write this in a decimal point format? How many zeros? 1, 2. So first I am writing a number 839. Now we have to left the places from which side? From this right hand side and going towards the left side. How many places? 2 places. Yes, 1. Yes, this is 1 place. This is second. 1, 2. So now decimal point is over here and unit is meter. 8.39 meter. Look at another example of same thing. It is if distance like this, 87 centimeter is equal to how many meter? So how to calculate it? First copy the given number on the numerator 87. Divided it with centimeter to meter means we have to divide it with the 100. And when kilometer to meter or meter to kilometer is, we have used term 1000 for multiplication and division. Now first copy the number 87 as it is, and how many places we have to left? 2 places towards the left. Point is over here, first shift, second shift, and give a decimal point. Number is not there, any number is not after this decimal point, so write down 0. 0.87 meter. So in this way you can convert meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter with the help of a decimal point. Now look at the third conversion, which is the smallest conversion or smallest units of a distance, that is 1 centimeter to 10 millimeter, which is we are commonly use. 1 centimeter, we know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So on our scale also, look at the distance, that is this is a 0 point and this is a 1. So this is the distance of how many centimeter? 1 centimeter. And in between this 1 centimeter, how many small lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is bigger line means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So small 10 parts are there. So these, from that small 10 parts, this one part is called as a millimeter. When we are combining 10 millimeters, it has become 1 centimeter, which is very useful in our geometry subject for drawing anything or for drawing of a geometrical shape, that is 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So let's begin. That is, we know 1 centimeter is equal to how many? 10 millimeters. So if I have to calculate 7 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? For millimeter, shortcut symbol is used small mm, double m, millimeter. So how to calculate it? Copy the number 7 and centimeter to millimeter. So 10, 7 tens are how many? 70 millimeter. 7 centimeter is equal to 70 millimeter. Look at the second example. If distance is given like this in a decimal point format, 2.4 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? So what we are doing? Copy the number 2.4, multiply it centimeter to millimeter, so multiply with the 10. Now when you are multiplying with the 10, what we are doing? We have to shift this decimal point how many times? 1 time only, because towards the right, because number is 10, so 1 0 is present, so shift this towards the right because multiplication. So this decimal point is coming after the 4, so number become 24 millimeter. 24 millimeter. 2.4 centimeter is equal to 24 millimeter. Look at the third example. If number is like this or distance is like this, 7.8 centimeter is equal to, in that how many centimeter and how many millimeters are present, that we have to identify. So how we are identifying? Yes, left side of the decimal fraction number is in centimeter in a bigger unit and towards the right side of a decimal point, number in a smaller unit, that is millimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Look at the fourth example. If distance is given like this, if distance is in a 6 millimeter, 6 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? That is asked in a question, and for that we know this is the opposite operation, that is 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, and here we are performing which operation? Division and left shift. Division and left shift. So let's begin. First write down, काय करायचं पहिल्यांदा, first write down the given number at the numerator 6 and in denominator by which number we have to divide, कोणत्या number ने divide करणार? 10, because it is a millimeter conversion. 6 upon 10 centimeter. Now we have to represent it in a decimal point format, that is 6 millimeter is equal to, write down given numerator as it is 6 and left shift the decimal point which is present after the 6 towards the left hand side. How many times? 1 time, because 1 0 is there. Yes, this is moving towards this left hand side. 1. So now decimal point is over here and 0.6. So before that write down 0.6 centimeter. So what is our answer? 6 millimeter is equal to 0.6 centimeter. So in this way you can easily use decimal point format for the conversion of kilometer to meter, then meter to kilometer, then meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, then centimeter to millimeter and millimeter to centimeter.